If you've shopped online, chances are you've bought from a business powered by Shopify. You know that purple Shop Pay button you see at checkout, the one that makes buying so incredibly easy? That's Shopify. And there's a reason so many businesses sell with it, because Shopify makes it incredibly easy to start and run your business. Shopify is the commerce powerhouse behind 10% of all e-commerce in the US, from household names like Mattel and Gymshark to brands just getting started. So get your own brand online with hundreds of beautiful, ready-to-go templates and forget about the coding. Tackle your tasks in one place, from inventory to payments to analytics, and get the word out with built-in marketing and email tools to find and keep new customers. That purple Shop Pay button that's used by millions of businesses around the world is just one reason Shopify has the best converting checkout on the planet. If you want to see less carts being abandoned, it's time for you to head over to Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR.
Are you interested in effortlessly growing your Bitcoin portfolio? I sure am. The Bitcoin Credit Card by Gemini earns you Bitcoin back on every purchase. Use it like any credit card. Buy lunch, gas, or your weekly groceries, and you'll earn up to 4% back instantly in Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos straight to your account. All that with no annual fee. And right now, you can grab a $200 Bitcoin welcome bonus. It's the easiest way to start building your Bitcoin stack. Go to Gemini.com/card to learn more. Terms apply. See the link in the description for more information regarding rates and fees. Issued by WebBank. To qualify for the $200 crypto intro bonus, you must spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. Some exclusions to instant rewards apply. This is not investment advice, and trading crypto involves risk. Check Gemini's website for more details on rates and fees.
Well, it's 8 a.m. Eastern, October 16th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $111,618. ETH is up slightly at $4,067. BNB is up slightly at $1,182.
When it comes to what your family eats and drinks, you know your choices matter. You're the expert because you know what fits your life. And getting it right starts with good information. That's why America's beverage companies are sharing more information about our ingredients at goodtoknowfacts.org. No spin, no judgments, just the facts straight from the experts for more than 140 beverage ingredients. Visit goodtoknowfacts.org.
When did making plans get this complicated? It's time to streamline with WhatsApp, the secure messaging app that brings the whole group together. Use polls to settle dinner plans. Send event invites and pin messages so no one forgets Mom's 60th. And never miss a meme or milestone. All protected with end-to-end encryption. It's time for WhatsApp. Message privately with everyone. Learn more at whatsapp.com.
Bitcoin hovered just above its $110,000 support as whales reduced exposure and traders piled into short-term. The market is being pulled in two directions by macro tension from U.S.-China tariffs and a lingering U.S. government shutdown, which pushed the fear and greed index down to 28. After a 12% drop from last week's highs, Bitcoin briefly dipped before recovering. Options data show a put-call ratio above 0.5. The total crypto market cap dropped to $3.8 trillion, with more than $500 million in leveraged positions liquidated in the past 24 hours. Overall, institutions appear cautious but not retreating. It's still a two-way headline-driven market. Paxos accidentally minted 300 trillion PYUSD tokens on Ethereum on Wednesday due to a technical error. The issue was resolved within 30 minutes after Paxos burned the excess tokens. The company said there was no security breach and that customer funds were safe, noting the root cause had been fixed. Data showed the mistaken mint came from a Paxos hot wallet and went to PayPal's PYUSD smart contract. The $300 trillion mint, far exceeding both U.S. national debt and global GDP, briefly rattled DeFi markets. Paxos later minted 300 million PYUSD as part of its normal operations. PYUSD remains the world's sixth largest stablecoin with a $2.6 billion market cap. Kraken has acquired Small Exchange, a CFTC-regulated U.S. derivatives market operator, for $100 million. The move positions Kraken to launch a fully U.S.-based derivatives trading platform under CFTC oversight. Co-CEO Arjun Sethi said the acquisition will allow Kraken to connect spot, futures, and margin products within one regulated liquidity system that integrates clearing, risk, and matching to meet global exchange standards. The deal follows Kraken's earlier purchase of NinjaTrader as part of its push into U.S. derivatives. The broader U.S. crypto derivatives market has surged over the past year, with CME Group data showing a 136% increase in average daily crypto contract volume to 190,000 in the second quarter compared to last year. Well, Australia is moving to tighten oversight of crypto ATMs under new anti-money laundering powers. Home Affairs Minister Tony Burke has proposed expanding the authority of AUSTRAC, the country's financial intelligence agency, to restrict or ban high-risk products such as crypto ATMs. Burke said that while not all users are engaged in crime, illicit use remains widespread and hard to trace. Australia now has around 2,000 crypto ATMs, the third highest number globally. Authorities say cash to crypto transactions make tracking funds difficult and have been linked to money laundering, fraud, drug trafficking, and child exploitation. Australia's move follows similar actions abroad. New Zealand recently proposed banning crypto ATMs, and Illinois now requires operators to register, provide live support, and implement strict compliance programs. And finally, BitMine Immersion Technologies added 104,336 ETH worth $417 million to its treasury on Wednesday, according to on-chain data. ETH was transferred to 3 new BitMine wallets. BitMine now holds about 3.03 million ETH, valued at roughly $12.2 billion, making it the largest Ethereum treasury and the second largest overall after Michael Saylor's strategy. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
The town of Milton may seem normal at first glance, but the shadows are cursed and the expansive woods surrounding town are forbidden. They call it the Void, and nobody comes back alive.
You're heading straight for the Void!
Milton lives suspended in time, trapped by a darkness that seems to be creeping closer and closer.
It's safe. The Void is kept at bay.
Is it though? Join 3 friends as they embark on an epic journey into the heart of darkness. The Void, wherever you get your podcasts.
This is just the beginning.
What does it mean to live for the common good? Introducing the Garrison Institute presents The Common Good, the brand new podcast from the Garrison Institute, a leading not-for-profit organization exploring the intersection of contemplation and engaged action in the world. Hosted by me, Jonathan F.P. Rose, a co-founder of the Garrison Institute, the series dives into the threads that bind us all. First, you'll discover the interdependent nature of life with environmental entrepreneur Paul Hawken and trailblazing plant intelligence researcher Monica Gagliano. Next, we unlock the mysteries of the mind with renowned psychiatrist Dan Siegel and Pulitzer Prize-winning author Siddhartha Mukherjee. Finally, we experience compassion and action with social justice activist Conda Mason and environmental leader Bill McKibben. We invite you to listen, reflect, and join us in acting for the common good. Follow the Garrison Institute presents The Common Good on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you are listening now.